Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are drawing something super fun and creative, a cute little chicken wearing a pie as a hat. Yes, you heard it right. It's a unique and adorable combo you won't miss. Let's break it down step by step. So, here's the drawings. At first glance, it might look like a normal chicken, but look again. This chicken has a pie crust on its back, almost like it's wearing it as a hat or shell. This crust is detailed with a classic lattice pattern and a wave edge just like a real pie. The chicken is drawn in a cartoon style, round eyes, big beak, and a soft fluffy wing and tail, giving it a very cute and friendly vibe. The idea is whimsical and perfect for fun art project or character design. I used a black marker to go over the pencil sketch. Notice how all the lines are bold and clean. The eyes has a glossy shine with a white sparkle inside, giving it a lively and expressive look. The outer lines are slightly thicker to make the character stand out, while the inner detail like the feather and pie design are done with slightly thinner strokes. I used a combination of warm color to bring this drawing to life. The chicken body is filled with a soft brown color, giving it a warm and cozy feel. Now for the pie, I used orange and golden shades for the crust and added grid lines with darker tone to give it that classic backed look. The beak and feet are done in golden yellow, while the comb, the red part on the head, is bright red, typical for a real chicken. For the feather and tail, I used a bright yellow, adding contrast and making this design pop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you next time with more cool and creative art. Bye bye.